Leafclock label is a biological label that can indicate the healthy use cycle of a product. Through the color change of the label, consumers are reminded to change it regularly and lead a healthier lifestyle. Daily underwear, drawers, and toothbrushes have their recommended service life, and long-term use is easy to bring security risks. Leafclock label adopts life tracer nanotechnology to realize the visualization of textile life cycle, awaken consumers' health awareness, and develop regular hygiene habits. During use, Leafclock can respond to environmental aging stimuli such as washing and light to produce accurate and controllable color changes. Which can track the product use cycle and remand. Leafclock, give health more protection.